Hey everyone, I'm Rushabh and I'm here to comment on the market situation of 2013 and early 2014. The BSE Sensex and Nifty fell to the lowest in nearly 4 months on Monday, with indexes breaking down below key support levels by heavy selling by foreign investors exiting emerging markets. The BSE Sensex fell 1.2% and is down 6.6% since its record close on January 23. Roughly the start of an emerging market shakeout driven by fears of an economic slowdown in China and the Federal Reserve's gradual wind down of monetary stimulus. Foreign institutional investors sold a net $640 million in shares over the previous 7 sessions since January 23. Analysts worry selling could accelerate after overseas funds bought a net $20 billion worth of shares last year, leaving them overweight and thus prone to take the profits. The country also faces general elections due by May, creating another incentive to sell. According to these analysts, even as India had been tipped to avoid the worst of the sell-off in emerging markets because of its improved current account deficit and build-up in currency reserves. Both the Sensex and the broader Nifty fell below their 200-day moving averages on Tuesday, a breach of support which, if sustained, is typically seen as signaling more falls. FIIs are the drivers of our markets and outflows certainly worry me. One thing is for sure, there will be no new FII money in India till elections, said Paras Adenwala, Principal Portfolio Manager at Capital Portfolio Advisor. I think differentiation with other emerging markets should happen provided India's election results are palatable. People would remain defensive till that time. Still, India is seen in a better position than last year when similar Fed tapering fears roiled emerging markets, sending the rupee to a record low and denting shares. The graph I am showing you has 2 parts in it. The first part covers the entire 2013 year. 2013 started with Nifty around 6,000 and also ended around 6,200. The entire year was a sideways movement. The second part covers the month of January 2014. January is supposed to show the sentiment of the coming year. Jan 2014 started at 6,200 but ended at near 6,000. The world markets are slowly crawling out of recession. Situation is much better than the last 2 years. There are no wars looming anywhere. For India, could the general elections be a deciding factor? Rushabh here signing off until the next update.